Here are some photos of me when I was obese at the age of 23, 24 years old. I weighed 250 pounds. I was a pure sugar burner. It is not fun when you are a sugar burner because you have to eat every 2 to 3 hours just to function. When the cells are stuck as sugar burners, it creates a lot of byproducts, cellular smoke. So yes, your cells produce energy and it creates byproducts, cellular smoke, the same way if I had firewood in this room right now and I burned that firewood, it would create smoke. When you burn sugar and glucose as your primary fuel source, it creates a lot of cellular smoke. I compare that to a Mack truck. Picture this Mack truck speeding through the highway with all this smoke just coming out of the exhaust pipe. That's not going to be healthy for its surrounding environment. Well, it's not healthy for your cellular environment when you are actually burning sugar. And it creates now inflammation. You might have heard that word. It creates inflammation around your cells. And then all of a sudden it blunts and blocks these receptor sites. So now your fat burning hormones and all your hormones can't get in. What happens next is a symptom starts to occur. Maybe that symptom is you gain 30 pounds. Maybe you can't lose weight. Maybe you have developed type 2 diabetes or even cancer. These are all symptoms. They are actually not the problem. I did not have a weight problem. I had a weight symptom. And when you take care of the cause, the symptom goes away by default. Let's compare this to now how ketosis is working inside of your body. When you switch and teach your cells to burn fat now instead of sugar, that's what I compare to a Tesla. Cruising through your streets, much cleaner for its surrounding environment, much cleaner fuel source for your cellular environment. So we could downregulate inflammation, allow your hormones and nutrients and oxygens into your cell so your symptoms go away by default.